Have you ever brought home a beautiful new rug, only to find little bits of fluff everywhere? It's a common worry, but don't panic. Let's talk about why your rug is shedding and what it means. First off, almost all new rugs shed a little. Think of it like a new haircut. There are always a few stray clippings left behind. When a rug is made, especially hand-knotted ones, the pile is sheared to an even length. The first few weeks of foot traffic and gentle vacuuming will shake these loose fibers free. This initial shedding should slow down and stop within a few months. Now, what if the shedding doesn't stop? This often comes down to the quality of the materials. Rugs made from brittle, poor quality fibers, whether they're natural or synthetic, will shed more. Foot traffic and even regular vacuuming can break off these weak yarns. Let's focus on wool, one of the most popular and durable rug materials. The oldest rug in the world, the Pazyryk rug, is made of wool, but not all wool is created equal. The quality depends on the sheep's breed, diet, and even which part of the body the wool came from. Wool from a lamb's belly is super soft, while wool from an adult sheep's back is much coarser. Cheaper wool is often drier and more brittle, making it prone to breakage and shedding. Think of the yarn in your rug. High-quality yarn is made from long, fine fibers twisted together multiple times. This makes it strong and resilient. Cheaper yarn often uses short, thick fibers with fewer twists. These untwist easily under pressure from walking or vacuuming, causing those fibers to pop out. That's the shedding you see. So does this mean you should avoid wool rugs? Absolutely not. Many of the most beautiful and long-lasting rugs are wool. A good manufacturer knows how to choose the right quality of wool and construction method to minimize shedding. For instance, New Zealand wool is considered the best because it's rich in natural oils, making it soft and less breakable. Shaggy and chunky knit wool rugs are naturally more prone to shedding. A high-quality shag rug should settle down after 3 to 6 months. A lower-quality one might shed for its entire life, eventually looking patchy. For these types of rugs, you can gently groom them with a natural bristle brush to remove loose strands. And a big tip, never ever use the beater bar on your vacuum. The aggressive brushing can damage the fibers. If you need a deep clean, try taking it outside and using a leaf blower to fluff it up and blow away debris. It's not just wool that sheds. Tufted rugs, where fibers are glued to a backing, can shed a lot if the glue or materials are low quality. Plant fiber rugs like jute or sisal are naturally brittle and tend to shed small splinters throughout their lives. And then there are viscose rugs or artificial silk. These are known as the disposable rugs of the industry. They are very weak, shed continuously, and can be ruined by a simple water spill. Sometimes you might see what's called sprouting. This is when a single strand of yarn untwists and becomes longer than the rest. It can happen with use or aggressive vacuuming. If you see a sprout, don't pull it. You could create a hole. Just grab a pair of scissors and carefully trim it to match the rest of the pile. So what's the best way to deal with all this? Proper care is key. Use a good quality rug pad, rotate your rug every year to even out wear, and get it professionally cleaned every 3 to 5 years. And remember, always vacuum gently without the beater bar. With a little love and the right care, your rug can look great for years to come. Thanks for watching.